Hello Interval Plus family, this is Coach Juliana and this is Cooking with the Coach. Today we're gonna do a fried rice, Oriental style, low carb. So I'm gonna start putting half of my cauliflower in the blender and just hit pulse. So this is how our cauliflower should look like. Now I'm gonna remove this one, put it here in a bowl and blend the other part. We are gonna add all the ingredients on the same pan at this order. So I'm gonna start with my cashew nuts, then eggplants, then the chicken, then the carrots, the cauliflower, the rice, and I'm gonna finish with the spring onions. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna wait until my pan is already heated, and then I'm gonna add the cashew nuts. So on a medium to high heat, I'm gonna add my cashew nuts. I'm gonna let it toast just a little bit and then I'm gonna remove it from the pan. Now that my nuts are already golden like this, I'm gonna take this and start with the chopped garlic. Now the eggplants. Now our eggplant is ready. It took me from 5 to 8 minutes, so it's gonna get softer. If you want to get at this point faster, you can add a little bit of water. So now I'm gonna put the chicken. Chicken already grilled. Now we're gonna add the shredded carrots. Right after the carrots, I'm gonna add the cauliflower. A little bit of the seasoning oil and just keep stirring. So now that I see that my carrots are softer, I'm gonna taste it. I've already tried it, so I think it's missing a little bit of salt. So you can add soy sauce, salt, or coco aminos. I'm gonna add a little bit of soy sauce. And now at the end, now that everything is cooked and ready, I'm gonna add my rice and my spring onions. Now that our fried rice is ready, I'm gonna place it here on a plate. And I'm just gonna finish with some of the cashew nuts. So this is the final result of our dish. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do it at home, please tag us Interval Plus, leave your comments below, and I hope to see you next time.